No?
No.
Ready?
About ready to go. Well, that'd be.
So you can get up the driveway here.
Well, you don't stop. See, just. Well, there's a hump of snow in front of the door.
Oh, that sucks. No! Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Did it? A little bit of slidage.
This is really heavy, wet snow. This is tough.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
We're going on 128.
Wanna go to one?
Well, yeah, go to the left flag, because I want to go get the thingy. Remember, you're going to be on YouTube.
Yeah.
So the snow piles.
Yeah. It's heavy snow. No trains.
Nope. No cars on the one down there. Everything's just covered. Fire truck down there. Oh, it's backing up. Whoa, sledding. We're sliding. He doesn't back into us.
No, here.
What's he doing?
Go in, turn in there.
Whoa. There's another plow truck coming. Oh, this one's bigger than this one guy plowing right there.
That's Miller.
Yeah, it's Miller.
Yeah.
Miller. It's a smart car. I'm videotaping right now, so I'd let you know. What the hell was that?
Crap.
Okay. That's the power. Might get some slidage here.
Really, it's lucky today is a holiday.
Yeah.